we'll see what happens. The young lady that walked by there, that is Karen. She was the designer of the little space aliens that we have out there. Did a great job. Quite a little feat of technology in themselves.
I don't think Maria is poolside yet, but we're looking at the audience. There's actually a row of bleachers out there on the grass. And it's kind of hard to allow the public out there because that's where the missions and the pool deck is being conducted. So we want to make sure that the deck area is clear. But there are some bleachers on the grass if people want to get a different perspective and go out there and see what's happening, or at least see the teams going on and setting up.
Okay. Well, while we've got some time here, again, we've a little bit ahead of schedule, and the water buffaloes will be up next, but they're not scheduled till 12:40. So once again, let's go ahead and run a mission video. And it takes about 3 to 4 minutes for that video to run. It'll give anybody an opportunity to head back to a restroom or whatever they might need to do and be back in time for the competition to start once again.
It is the year 2020, and the human race has just discovered faster-than-light space travel. A major push from all the world's countries has formed the United Nations Space Exploration Consortium, UNSEC. The mission of the consortium is to seek out and find new life, to boldly go out into the deep reaches of space. The union of the world's nations is unprecedented. The advent of cold fusion has fundamentally changed the economics of the world. Money is becoming irrelevant as the world adjusts to its newfound ability to feed everyone on the planet. Hunger and starvation are now history, as mankind now has the ability to control unlimited amounts of energy and resources to focus on issues that were once considered the luxury of a few. Fighting for resources and energy on Earth to survive has been wiped out among mankind, and now humans are working for the betterment of mankind by adding to collective knowledge of the species. Earth has little secrets left, and the focus now aims to the stars. The consortium had been sending unmanned probes to all the celestial bodies they discover in hopes of finding life. There have been many planets that had shown promise, but they had all failed to find life of any kind, except one. On March 6, 2020, the UNSEC unmanned probe Darwin 4 had sent back a video transmission via subspace relay that shocked and excited the Darwin 4 mission tracking team. On a yet-to-be-named but cataloged planet, Ceti Alpha 3, an ice-covered liquid planet 8 light-years away, the probe found what appeared to be a life form before the video transmission was lost. Darwin 4 mission profile went as follows. Step 1. Darwin 4 was launched from lunar orbit after being constructed at New Phoenix Space Station. Step 2. Traveling at 8 times the speed of light, it took Darwin 4 1 year to get there. After arriving, Darwin 4 deployed itself to landing configuration. Step 3. Upon descent, Darwin 4's landing computers searched for a smooth surface to land on. Step 4. After landing, the main body of the craft turned 90 degrees, the melt probe was activated, and the body began to deploy itself down through the ice. Step 5. After melting through 1 mile of ice, Darwin 4 arrived at the liquid part of the planet, at which point its AUV, or Autonomous Underwater Vehicle, was deployed from the main body and began its survey of the liquid planet. Step 6. The main body of Darwin also deployed other equipment to set up a sub-ice surface base station for the AUV to use as a communication and recharging station. It was during this survey when its 30-minute delayed video transmission was interrupted. The mission tracking team was studying the video record of the mission when they saw what appeared to be a bioluminescent organism moving vertically in the water column, and the video signal was then immediately interrupted. UNSEC then quickly assembled a crack team of roboticists and prepared them for the mission and the one-year journey. It was decided that a teleoperated robot or remotely operated vehicle, ROV, controlled by humans from the surface of the ice was necessary to adapt to unpredictable situations and to eliminate the 60-minute lag of signal and response from Earth. You and your team, Genesis 2, are charged with finding out what happened to Darwin 4 and to recover it if possible, as well as try and capture one of the life forms for study. There is one major problem, though. Due to the extremely high levels of radiation, you and your team can only spend 30 minutes on the surface of the ice before radiation poison occurs. After arriving at SETI Alpha 3, your mission objectives are as follows. Order of completion is up to the mission commander. 1. Descend to the bottom of the ocean to release a data buoy. 2. Winch up the data logger to the base station. 3. Take a radioactive fuel rod to install in the AUV charging station. 4. Measure the temperature and depth of the charging station. 5. First, locate and identify the AUV by its sign letters, Darwin 4. Second, take AUV to the recovery area. Third, secure the charging tether to the AUV. This must be done in order. 6. Align intruder sensor array. 7. Capture as many life forms as possible and secure them in the observation pool. Good luck, Genesis 2, and Godspeed.
Okay, once again, we're back poolside at the 2011 National Underwater Robotics Challenge here at Chandler High School in Chandler, Arizona at the Aquatic Center. Looks like we've got the water buffaloes out there. Looks like they may be setting up, getting ready to go. They're the second of our consolation teams that'll be operating tonight. We have 5 teams that are going to compete in the consolation mode. So there are the water buffaloes. They're out there getting ready to go. Each one of the teams as part of the competition has to create a little video about themselves. So while the water buffaloes are setting up, let's go ahead and run that video.
Hi, my name is Esteban Bustillos. I am working on the NURC robotics team for 2011 as a freshman drill.
My name is Jesus Bustillos. I'm a freshman. I am a part of fabrication.
Hi, I'm Daniel Simpson. I'm a freshman. I was head of public relations. For FRC, I worked on pneumatics, and for NURC, I'm working on waterproofing.
Hi, I'm Lindsay Vermeer. I'm a freshman, and I'm being trained in programming.
Hi, I'm Tina. I'm a sophomore. I'm secretary, and I'm also in charge of documentation.
My name is Alan de la Cruz. I'm a junior in my second year in robotics. I'm a historian and part of the fabrication team.
Hello, I am Fabian de la Cruz. I am an outbound senior, safety captain, quality control, and general fabrication.
Hello, I'm Tyler Rocky. I'm an outgoing senior. I'm the president of our robotics team here at Tempe High School. I am the chief